Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. VM Investments Limited, VMIL, is once again turning to the public market for funding, seeking to raise up to $4 billion through a new bond offer comprising two investment options. The offer includes a 25-month facility carrying an effective interest rate of 9% and a 43-month facility offering 9.5%. According to the company, the proceeds will be used primarily to refinance existing debt facilities that mature at the end of June and again in December. For investors unfamiliar with bonds, a bond is essentially a loan made to a company. Investors who buy the bond will earn interest on their investment and get their money back when the bond period ends. In the case of VM's latest offer, the company said investors will receive interest payments throughout the life of the bond and will receive back the amount they originally invested when the bond comes to an end.
The offer opens on June 17 and closes on July 17. However, we do reserve the right to close early, and based on how things are shaping up and we love the support we've been getting, we anticipate this could happen at the end of June. So we are encouraging those persons who, as our moderator noted, have an interest in participating, whether you're a new investor or an existing investor, to get those applications into us before the end of June to be on the safe side.
The minimum subscription is $10,000 for existing investors and $100,000 for new investors. Interested persons can access the prospectus on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website, while applications can also be submitted through VMWell's IPO Edge platform. If successful, the bonds are expected to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in August this year, allowing investors the opportunity to buy and sell the securities on the secondary market. According to VM Wealth, the rationale behind both bond offers was to give more Jamaicans an opportunity to participate in investments that were traditionally available to a smaller pool of investors.
VM is who it is today as a group because of the average person who decided that they wanted to buy a home, started out this business with a group of clergymen. And so we wanted to be able to tap back into that aspect of our business as to what we are and why we do what we do. We wanted to give the average person an opportunity to start to build wealth so that we can continue our mandate of transforming lives. So the public offer was the opportunity for us to allow the average investor to get in. If it was a private, the limitations of that would have prevented the average investor from participating in the raise. And as such, we decided to go the route of a public offer.
The latest offer follows VMIL's first public bond issue, which was launched in late 2024 and raised approximately $5.6 billion. That offer was oversubscribed and marked the company's first public bond raising, broadening access to fixed income investments beyond institutional investors. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Thanks for watching.